Hello everyone. Some industry insiders confirmed that it is a rumor that Huawei and SMIC will build a buffer fab manufacturing company in China. Just a few days ago, it was reported that Huawei, with the help of SMIC, developed fab with around $10 billion investment. A report also mentioned that at the industry exhibition in Taiwan, the revealed personnel of Huawei and TSMC's supply chain partners were spotted discussing the equipment purchase for the factory. It discloses that SMIC, Southern and the local government funding and other details. Regarding this, a person familiar with this matter from Huawei told Chinese media that the news was false. Meanwhile, several people close to SMIC also mentioned that SMIC never participated in this and assisted Huawei in building any factory. However, the cooperation between two parties was a legal and regulatory business activity only at the foundry level, not external, conceived the development of grouping and warming. That's it for now. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.